Maintaining a safe and healthy environment in schools is essential for the well-being of students and staff. The AirWise Smart Wi-Fi Air Monitor is an innovative solution designed to monitor and maintain optimal air quality within educational settings, ensuring a safe atmosphere for learning and teaching. This smart monitor utilizes a multi-sensor system to vigilantly track particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOx, carbon dioxide, CO2, levels, and other pollutants that can impact health and cognitive function. By keeping a constant check on these elements, the AirWise monitor helps create an environment that is conducive to both safety and educational excellence. One of the key features of the AirWise monitor is its real-time alert capability. When it detects air quality levels that are below recommended safety standards, it sends immediate notifications to school administrators and staff. This proactive alert system enables quick responses to address issues, such as improving ventilation or mitigating sources of pollution, to ensure that the air remains clean and safe. The Wi-Fi connectivity of the AirWise monitor allows for easy access to real-time air quality data. Through a dedicated app, school personnel can monitor air quality, receive alerts, and take action from anywhere, ensuring that the school environment is consistently monitored and managed for the well-being of all occupants. For schools dedicated to providing the best possible environment for students and staff, the AirWise Smart Wi-Fi Air Monitor is a crucial tool. It not only safeguards against harmful pollutants, but also promotes an atmosphere that is conducive to health, learning, and overall well-being. To find out more about how the AirWise monitor can benefit your school, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be happy to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.